Want to create a professional Instagram page for your business? Here's how to do it. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap Create New Account. Use your business email or mobile number and click on Next. A pop-up will appear. Select Continue Creating Account. Now, Instagram will send a verification code to your email or phone number. Enter it in the respective block. It will be verified. After that, set a strong password and click Next. Now, choose your date of birth, then tap Next. Here, add your business name as the full name. Choose a unique username that matches your brand. Make sure you get the green tick mark beside the username means that the username is available. Tap Next and agree to Instagram's terms and conditions. Now, click on Add Picture to add your profile picture and tap Done. Next, you can add your contacts and get Facebook Friends suggestions if needed. You can select any known users to follow and your interests to get suggested reels or posts. Now your basic account is ready. Next, go to your profile. At the top right, tap on the menu icon. In the Settings and Privacy, scroll to your Insights and Tools section and click on Account Type and Tools. Here, select the Switch to Professional Account option and tap Next. After that, select your business category and tap Switch to Professional Account. Then select your professional type and tap Next. Choose to get promotional emails, click Next. After that, enter all your contact info, including the email, business address, and phone number, and tap Next. Now connect to your Facebook page for more business. Tap on Log into Facebook, then select the Facebook business page and tap Connect. Your business page is created. Now go to your profile and click on Edit Profile. Here, you can see your connected Facebook page. After that, click on the category and toggle on Display on Profile, then tap Done. This will add your business category to the profile. If you want, you can add bio and website links if needed. Finally, your new Instagram business page is ready. And that's it. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to Tech Simplify.